MUTHIA-INI wa mwaka MUHITUKU niguo thirikari yanereire mubango wa kwehereria magoti kambuni ciothe iria ciarĩ na ũhoti wa kũgũra indo itiganĩte ta mũcere, cukari na mbembe kuma nja wa bũrũri nĩguo kũng'ethanĩra na ngarama ya igũrũ ya mũtũrĩre ĩrĩa yehĩrĩirio nĩ kũnyiha kwa indo ici bũrũri-inĩ. No na thengia wa mubango ũyũ ndwonekete gũciara matunda kuona mathogora ma irio mathiĩte na mbere kuongerereka matuka-inĩ, ũndũ ũrĩa kamĩtĩ ya mbunge ĩgiĩ ũrĩmi yendekithĩtie ũthuthurio nĩguo gũkũrana ũrĩa mubango ũyũ watabanirio na gĩtũmi kĩa mathogora ma indo ici gũkorwo matarĩ magwa.
Through the chair, we demand forensic audit, especially on the sugar importation, to see the whole process up to cancellation, up to when the sugar arrives, what goes on in this whole exercise. So we want to demand, because the chairman is not here, that a forensic audit is done.
It looks like somebody needed to allocate some money, and they were now short of the companies that they want to allocate to, and they just decided, you bring a company, even if you are a law firm, just come and import.
When you give the permits, people were not able to secure the rice, people are not able to secure the maize, but at least we were able to learn. And out of the 1.1 million tons that we permitted people to bring, only 600 came in. That's why we still have a deficit and we are not being able to produce.
No agĩtetera mubango ũyũ, Minista wa ũrĩmi Minista Linturi augĩte kwaga kwa cukari nĩ thĩna ũgũmĩire mabũrũri maingĩ thĩinĩ wa thĩ to Kenya, ũndũ ũrĩa hinyĩrĩirie nĩguo ũcũngĩrĩirie kwaga kwa cukari mũiganu bũrũri-inĩ ona thengia wa gũkorwo maheanire marũa. Noguo gĩtũmi kĩa mathogora gũkorwo matarĩ maracenjia matuka-inĩ ta ũrĩa gwatanyĩtwo mũbango-inĩ ũyũ.
That from January to September 2023, the sugar that has come in is 163,827 metric tons. That is the sugar that has been able to come into the country. Meaning, even those people that have been licensed to bring in sugar have not brought sugar in the country. Why haven't they brought in sugar? I can only speculate.
Even if you register a company in the morning, take it to Kilimo House, 4th floor, as has been indicated here, and you get registered, you are due for supply without a litigation history of any company, Honorable Chair.
And it doesn't rule out that we are only seeing different names, but maybe it is only one person who has 10 to 20 companies. So we need full disclosure in a tabulation format so that we have this company, these are the directors.
So any importer who presented these documents was vetted, and a list was generated for those that qualified, who showed that experience and that capacity.
Kũhĩtũkĩra mũbango ũyũ, thirikari yatanyĩte gũkinyanĩria tani milioni 1.4 cia mbembe, tani milioni 1.1 cia mũcere na kilo 280 cia cukari, nĩguo kũihũria mathenya marĩa magũmĩire bũrũri itanya-inĩ rĩa kũnyihia thogora wa indo ici matuka-inĩ. Gũkũ Minista Linturi akuruhanĩtie kĩhĩri kĩa mĩhĩnga ĩrĩa matatanyĩte ta gũkorwo ethararĩtie gũkinyanĩra kwa mũbango ũyũ.
What we thought in the initial stages that we would have the sugar coming in, so much supply in the market against and demand, and bring down the price. It appears there is such a big problem. That is generally what is really happening. So people, there is no sugar in the world market. India the other day closed the importation of sugar and rice.
Ngirivotera Kameme TV, Jitagwo Mwaura, Wagunya.